Hello viewers, welcome to the tutorial session by Cooch Mahatma Gandhi Youth Computer Education. So today's topic is Bootstrap. So getbootstrap.com is the official website of Bootstrap. So the first question is, what is Bootstrap? So Bootstrap is a free front-end framework for faster and easier web development. Bootstrap includes HTML and CSS-based design templates for typography, forms, buttons, tabs, tables, navigation, models, image carousel, and many other, as well as optional JavaScript plugins. Bootstrap also gives you the ability to easily create responsive design. So what is responsive web design? So responsive web design is about creating a website which automatically adjusts themselves to look good on all devices, from small phone to large desktop. So you can see, I have just opened one sample website. So you can see that in desktop the website looks good, but I'm assuming that this is the resolution of my mobile phone. Now if I open this website, I can see that if I want to see the content on the right side, I have to use this scroll bar, right? So I want to see the content on the right side, I have to use the scroll bar. So that means this is not a responsive design. So what is a responsive design? If I check this website, so you can see that the website looks good in my desktop. And same, if I open the website in my mobile resolution, you can see that the website scale itself based on the resolution. So you can see, so there is no scroll bar here. So whatever the content available is still available, but it just scale itself. Right? So this is a responsive website. So basically we use Bootstrap to create such website, and we can create it easily. I'm assuming that you know HTML CSS properly, because if you don't know HTML CSS, then this tutorial is not for you. You have to know HTML CSS properly. Okay? So the question is, why to use Bootstrap? So I am telling you some advantages of Bootstrap. So one is, it is easy to use. Anybody with just basic knowledge of HTML and CSS can start using Bootstrap. Bootstrap has responsive features. So Bootstrap's responsive CSS adjusts to phone, tablets, and desktops. Number 3 is mobile first approach. In Bootstrap, mobile-first styles are the part of the core framework. The core is browser compatibility. So Bootstrap is compatible with all modern browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Edge, Safari, and Opera. So how to get started with Bootstrap? So you can download Bootstrap from getbootstrap.com, or you can include a Bootstrap from a CDN link. So for the tutorial, I am going to use version 3.4. So you have to open getbootstrap.com. Then here you can see that there is a drop down, and here there is version 3.4.1. So if you click on this, so you will reach on this page. So this is the page for Bootstrap 3.4. So you just have to click on this and getting started. So if you want to know in detail about the CSS classes available in Bootstrap 3, then you have to click here. If you want to know about all the components available in Bootstrap, then you have to click here. And if you want to know about the JavaScript plugins available for Bootstrap, then click here. So we'll start from this link. So as I told you that you can download the Bootstrap, then you have to click here if you want to download. Just click that in one zip file you will get, and in that zip file there are 3 folders. One folder contains the JavaScript, one for the fonts and one for the CSS. You can download the source code or the SAS file. We will discuss about this in a different video. You can use Bootstrap directly by using CD and links. If you don't want to download and host Bootstrap yourself, you can include it from the CDN. CDN means Content Delivery Network. So Mac CDN provides CDN support for Bootstrap, CSS and JavaScript. So one advantage of using the Bootstrap CDN link. So many users already have downloaded Bootstrap from Mac CDN when visiting another site. As a result, it will be loaded from cache when they visit your site, which leads to faster loading time. Also, most CDNs will make sure that once a user requests a file from it, it will be served from the server closest to them, which also leads to faster loading time. You can install Bootstrap using Behar. Behar is nothing just a package manager. So you just have to execute this command, Behar install Bootstrap. Or you can use Node Package Manager, short form NPM. For that you have to execute this command. Or you can use Composer. Composer is also a dependency manager for PHP. So we will discuss about this Behar, NPM, Composer in different video. So now let's check some example of Bootstrap. So you can see that I have created one simple HTML file. Okay, so I have used one h1 head tag, I have added some p tag, I have created some div. Inside that div I have created some more p tags. Okay, so as I have told you that I am going to use the CDN links, so I have this CDN link. So you can see that basically what is okay, so this is the link of the Bootstrap CSS file, this is the link for the jQuery file, and this is the JavaScript link of Bootstrap. Okay, so we just copied it and we are putting this line here. So I just save it. Now if I just refresh the page, you can see that I got a beautiful font, right? And so now let me add some classes. So just see that if I just add class and I just add Jumbotron, so what it's gonna do? So just refresh the page and you can see that I got a beautiful background and my font size got become bigger, and this font also. Now just assume that I want this font in the center of the page. So what I have to do is I just have to write text center. I just save it, refresh, you can see, so I got the design. So I don't have to write this long CSS all the time. I just have to add the classes, right? So now for this thing, so I want some margin here, and I want this column 1 part here, column 2 part in the middle, and column 3 part at the right. Okay, so for that what I have to do first, so this is the parent div. So I am adding one class, so I'm adding container. So what I'm gonna do is just add it. You can see that one margin has been added. Okay, so now inside that I am adding one class which is row. Okay, now see, so this part is the code for this. This part is for column 2, this part is column 3. So what I am writing here, just look at this. So I'm just writing COL SM in small device, and I'm just writing 4. Bootstrap use grid system. Okay, so you divide the entire row into 12 parts. So we will discuss about all these things later. So just see. So what I did is I just gave 4 grid to this div. I gave 4 grid to this div. I gave 4 grid to this div. Now what happened is, let's look at this. Okay, so now let's check whether my web page that I have created is responsive or not. Just look at this. So for small device or for mobile device, it looks like this. So now as I'm opening my website in tablet. This, okay. So now assume that I'm opening my web page and a desktop. So this, okay. So you can see that how quickly we created this page. This is the reason why we use Bootstrap. So if you want to learn Bootstrap, then join our Bootstrap class in Mahatma Gandhi Youth Computer Education. We will see you there. Bye bye.